This is a tutorial for crows. Are you a crow struggling to eat a biscuit? Well, it need not be that hard. Biscuits are hard, but eating them need not be that hard. Look at these two cuties. They have, over days and months of practice, mastered the art of eating a biscuit. What's their trick, you ask? Well, use all of the resources at your disposal. You have two legs and a beak. Of course, those two legs are not designed to hold a disc, but you can certainly use the earth for your benefit. So hold the biscuit between the earth and one of your feet. Hold an end of the biscuit with your beak and pull hard, and there you go. Delicious biscuits at your breakfast.